Hey there, meme enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome.
Today, we have something special in store for you. We're going to uncover the untapped potential of meme ads. So grab your popcorn and get ready for a laughter-filled ride. Let's jump right in. Now, we all know how annoying ads can be. They're like that mosquito buzzing around your ear when you're trying to catch some Z's.
Mosquito.
But what if I told you there's a way to inject some humor into these pesky ads? Thanks to the rising popularity of memes, you can turn a groan-inducing ad experience into a side-splitting comedy show. These memes can transform your advertising game from drab to fab, leaving your audience laughing harder than a hyena with a helium balloon. But how can you effectively promote your business through meme ads? Let's dive into our 5 effective strategies. First up, figure out the meme flavors that tickle your target audience's funny bone. Just like everyone has their favorite ice cream flavors, different audiences resonate with different memes. So do your research and find out what makes your audience burst into laughter. Next, unleash the power of creativity and align your brand's personality with the art of meme creation. Memes are all about expressing ideas in a relatable and humorous way. So let your brand's unique personality shine through and create memes that make your audience go, "Aha, that's so us."
Aha!
Now here's a pro tip. Create a meme bank. Just like a piggy bank stores your precious coins, a meme bank stores your hilarious memes. Build a collection of funny and shareable memes related to your brand, so you're always ready to jump on the meme train and engage your audience. Next, let's talk about keeping up with the meme trend. Memes evolve faster than a cheetah chasing its prey. So it's crucial to stay up to date. Analyze the meme landscape, keep an eye on what's trending, and adapt your meme ads accordingly. Stay relevant, my friends. Last but not least, focus on humor. Remember, memes are all about making people laugh. So infuse humor into your meme ads and watch your audience engage and share like wildfire. Laughter is contagious, and so is the reach of a well-executed meme ad. And there you have it, folks. 5 effective strategies to promote your business through meme ads. With these tips in your arsenal, you'll be ready to conquer the digital world with laughter and engagement. So go ahead and embrace the power of memes in your advertising journey. Remember, a little humor goes a long way, and with memes, your ads can finally be something to look forward to. So get creative, stay on top of the trends, and let the laughter spread like wildfire. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, keep memeing and keep rocking your business. This is Sam signing off. Stay funny, my friends.